Welcome to Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Sheshadripuram, Bengaluru. Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Bengaluru, one of the pioneers in the field of education, is situated in the heart of the city of Bengaluru. This institution has been affiliated to CBSE and running classes from nursery to grade 10. Since its inception in 2013, we at Sri Chaitanya Sheshadripuram have been providing the best quality education in terms of preparing children for being future ready. The inception of Sri Chaitanya was a vision of Honorable Chairperson Dr. B.S. Rao and Dr. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, the couple who had been immensely successful in medical practice abroad. The transition from the field of medicine to education was swift and smooth. Sri Chaitanya first surfaced down the academic horizon in the year 1986 and within a span of 35 years went on to become Asia's largest educational group.
This is the main gate, which is under CCTV surveillance and has security guards on duty 24/7. The school is covered with a very high, strongly built boundary wall. The parking area for visitors is just outside the gate.
For the school staff, we have this parking area behind the school building. We also have a small play area for the pre-primary students with a sand pit to improve their motor and sensory skills. Prevention is better than cure. We take utmost care in maintaining safety on the campus. Fire safety equipment comprising of fire extinguishers and sand buckets are placed on all the corridors. Students' mental health is taken care by the counselor, Mrs. Rohini Gorin. She is a child psychologist and sports psychologist. She caters to the emotional needs of the students and parents. We believe in inclusion and inclusive education. We have appointed a well-qualified, trained and experienced special educator, Mrs. Mary Rosalind, a clinical psychologist specialized in dealing with students with learning disability and inclusive education. She comforts the children and teaches them as per the specific needs of learning disabilities.
Now we are entering the pre-primary block. Here we have the tiny tots of Sri Chaitanya just stepping into the outside world. The maximum human brain development happens between conception to 6 years of age, which are the formative years of child's development, the genesis of genius. The seating is child-friendly and comfortable with a table shared by 3 or 4 children to facilitate group activities and group learning. The classrooms are fully equipped with projectors, green boards and age-appropriate furniture for seating.
We also have a mini gym inside this block where various gym equipments are installed so that children can be extra fit and be ready for any kind of challenges to be met on the playground. Here we have the activity room for the pre-primary kids. Activities go simultaneously with the academics to engage the students' minds in diverse activities. The pre-primary classes catered to the general and specific needs of all the children, focusing upon numeracy and literacy skills and a balanced physical growth. Children love to play in the activity room. Activities infuse team spirits, develop leadership qualities, acquaint them with the culture of multitasking and many more, making them all-rounders. We at Sri Chaitanya Sheshadripuram have been excelling in academics as well as co-curricular activities. Here we have the building comprising of the primary section and the middle school.
Family is one of nature's masterpieces. At Sri Chaitanya, we inculcate amongst the students the family values, the rich culture and heritage of India. Parents are the first teachers and immediate role models. Frequent parents-teachers meetings are part of our academic calendar.
Now we move through the wide corridors, well lighted and ventilated, decorated with articles.
We have this learning simulation studio with literacy corner for language development, numeracy corner to develop their skills in counting, addition, multiplication, and so on. The discovery corner is to explore their inquisitive minds.
We have the conference studio for the pre-primary students.
We have this infirmary for giving the children around-the-clock professional medical attention for medical emergencies. Routine medical checkups are also done on a compulsory basis. Welcome to the lower primary section for grade 1 and 2 students. The classrooms are equipped with projectors for audio-visual learning and age-appropriate furniture. To shape their personality all round, the subjects are interlinked here as it is too early to differentiate the subject to the core at the beginning of primary. Here we have the upper primary section from grade 3 to 5. The classrooms are equipped with projectors for audiovisual learning and age-appropriate furniture.
Here we have the language room, which is specifically catering to the needs of the mother tongue and the national language. We have the wide corridors, well ventilated and well lighted. We can see the fire equipment, fire extinguisher, the sand buckets, and the bulletin boards are displayed on each corridor. We provide potable water to all the students and staff. We provide the mineral water. Hygiene is of utmost importance at our school. We have separate toilets for boys and girls on each floor. There is a separate section for urinals with proper partition in between. Here we have the social science lab. The study of the whole world like climate, distance, history and politics is easily understood here. The mathematics lab. The fear of math gets reduced when children learn various mathematical concepts like area, volume, perimeter, etc. using various equipments in the math lab. We also do give abacus training to our students. Now we move to the next floor.
Moving forward, we have the students' library equipped with 6,300 books. It has 15 subscribed magazines and journals along with 6 newspapers. We have reference books and all varieties of books catering to the age-appropriate requirement of students from grade 1 to 10. The library is well ventilated and equipped with storage of books.
We have water cooler in all the floors. we have the well decorated, wide, well ventilated, well lighted corridors with bulletin boards displaying the creativity of our beloved students.
The safety of children is of utmost importance, for which we have installed CCTV cameras in corridors, lobbies.
Now we are entering the art corner. Art corner is a place where a child explores his or her imagination and the ability to create magic with colors and other available resources. Every child is an artist in his or her own way. It enables the child to relax himself or herself during a hectic schedule. We here give equal opportunity to all the children to express themselves through painting, drawing, clay modeling, etc. Here we enter the language room where we cater to the needs of the students regarding their mother tongue, the national language also. Here we enter the dance room. This is our dance room where the children love to come and enjoy dancing. Dance is again a medium to express one's creativity and imagination through graceful movements of the body. We here teach Western and classical dance forms. The students of all grades get to be a part of the dance class and also practice for annual programs conducted by the school here. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices or disciplines which originated in ancient India. Welcome to the music room of Sri Chaitanya Sheshadripuram.
Music gives wings to the mind and life to everything. We celebrate the World Music Day on 21st of June every year. Instrumental music with Cambridge certification is the unique feature of our curriculum.
Here we can see the wide and well decorated corridors. Here we have set up a room exclusively for the lower primary kids, for the language room and the audio visual room. We can see the students can sit around, discuss and communicate, share and improve their communication skills.
Here we have the entry to the high school section from grade 8th to 10th.
Here on the second block of this building, on the second floor, we have the computer lab. Each computer is specified for a single child to enable every child to work on their own system and learn comprehensively. We have appointed well qualified and trained staff to impart updated computer lessons to the students. We follow a comprehensive computer curriculum on par with global standards.
Here we have the examination cell. In the examination cell, the HOD of examinations with her able team of teachers supervise the preparation of question papers, evaluation, grading and generation of report cards.
Here we have the high school section which commences from grade 8th to 10th, and also this building comprises of vacant classrooms for the futuristic use if we are upgraded to the senior secondary level.
Here we enter the physics laboratory. Physics is an experimental science. Our physics laboratory provides an experimental foundation for the theoretical concepts introduced in the lectures. This laboratory is well equipped with vernier calipers, screw gauges, ammeters, traveling microscopes, potentiometers, drawing boards, and many other instruments needed for students at the secondary and senior secondary levels. It is spacious and well ventilated.
The chemistry laboratory. We have a very well equipped chemistry lab which provides all the students with a version of mentor research experience. The lab is equipped with required chemicals and apparatus like burettes, pipettes, beakers, measuring jars of different capacities, test tubes, etc. Tea room for the senior secondary classes after accreditation, well ventilated and well furnished.
Here we enter the biology laboratory.
Our biology lab provides hands-on experience to question, observe, experience and experiments with scientific phenomena in their quest for knowledge of living things. We have specimens of a wide range like honeybee, ferns, prawns, bats, coral, cycon, jellyfish and many more.
We have a full-fledged office to support the principal and the day-to-day work. We have PROs, computer operators, accountants and other office assistants. The mission and vision statements are displayed at the office near the principal's cabin. Teachers' work is audited from time to time to ensure the quality of academics. School focuses on teachers' training to upgrade their knowledge and techniques of teaching. The school management has made all the arrangements for opening of the school when the government will permit.